You ready, Spud? You ready? All right. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. What is up? There is soccer fever all over the place. What we want you to do is we want you to come to American Eagle for soccer, but we want you to leave on a Harley. We want you to trade in those cleats for chrome. I mean, look at how beautiful this looks. I mean, when you could sit here and look at yourself in there, you know, fix your hair, fix your makeup, guys just look as cool as shit. You don't have to fix anything. And for a Harley, come in for soccer, leave with a Harley. Why not? So while you're here, because there's soccer fans coming in from all over the place, stop in, get your American Eagle Harley-Davidson t-shirts, get your shot glasses, because I'm sure that you're doing shots while you're here. How about a American Eagle Harley-Davidson koozie, because you're obviously drinking beer because places are running out of beer. So get your koozie to hold your beer in there. And of course, we have a showroom full of Harley-Davidsons for you to test ride. When you test ride, you get a flag, but as you can see, it's a little windy in here, and my flag just flew underneath the bike and went that way. So all test rides that you take, you will get a free Harley-Davidson flag. So come on in and see us this Saturday. We got a food truck going on. What also is happening this Saturday, it is the one-day Rolling Milwaukee to Sturgis Giveaway. That is right. Rolling USA is giving you a chance to win a 3-day trip to Sturgis. $1,500 travel voucher, trip to Sturgis. You have the Eagle Rider 3-day bike rental that you'll get that as well. And you get that autographed Jesse James Dupree chainsaw. I mean, if you have not seen that sucker, that thing's amazing. So come on out and join us. That is a one-day giveaway. Chrome, soccer, us, we just need you. What do you think, Spud? Should they come out and join us? Come out and join us. American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Trade those cleats for some chrome. We'll see you then. You thought I was going to hit the phone, didn't you? I'm like, yeah, I'm not going to break my phone. Have a kick-ass day. We'll see you all Saturday. I wasn't going to hit my phone. I don't want it to break. All right, so now how the heck am I going to get up? Oh, sucks to get old. My flag. My flag just blew away.